Hello, viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from here. A news reaching us has it that Chief Sunday Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igboho, the self-styled Yoruba agitator, has been arrested. The report says he was traveling with Beninese passports when he was arrested by Cotonou operatives of Brigade Criminal yesterday, Monday night. 19th of July 2021 at the Cardinal Bernardin Gantin International Airport. That is in Cotonou, on its way to an unnamed European country. It was disclosed that Igboho initially escaped before he was finally rearrested by the Beninese police. He is at the moment with the Brigade Criminal in Cotonou, the security source said. Igboho was said to have presented a Beninese passport to officials at the International Bernardin Gantin in Cotonou to travel to Germany when he was identified. Sensing the trouble awaiting him, he was said to have tried to wriggle his way out, but the Beninese officials turned down his overtures and immediately alerted other security officials who effected his arrests. We have strict laws here in Benin Republic. Those people who helped him obtain a Beninese passport misled him because they didn't tell him the danger ahead being a fugitive. If he had tried a place like the neighboring Togo, it would have been easy for him to escape to Europe. But here in Benin Republic, it's hard not to crack, the source added. Igboho's arrest is coming about 3 weeks after Nigeria's Department of State Services, DSS, declared him wanted for allegedly stockpiling arms, an allegation he has since denied. The DSS has raided Igboho's residence in the Soka area of Ibadan, Oyo State, on July 1st, 2021, and arrested about 12 of his aides and killed 2 of them during what was said to be a gun battle. The federal government had placed the Nigeria Immigration Service (NIS) and the Nigerian Customs Service (NCS) on alert to stop Igboho from leaving the shores of Nigeria. Well, DSS is yet to confirm the news of this development. Another developing story has it that Benin Republic may reject extradition of Sunday Igboho to Nigeria. Does it mean the Benin Republic's authority doesn't want it to look like the airport slot kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya? What do you think? Add your comment on the comment section of this channel. Another report reaching us says DSS restricted Nnamdi Kanu from signing consular assistance letters. Aloy Ejimako, lawyer to Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, on Monday revealed details of how the Department of State Services DSS restricted his client from seeking assistance from the United Kingdom UK. Ejimako disclosed that the operatives of DSS are delaying Kanu from signing 2 forms seeking consular and diplomatic intervention from UK. The lawyer disclosed this in a statement he forwarded to Daily Post entitled "Summary of My Visitation with Our Client, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu," on Monday, 19th of July. He noted that the refusal of the secret police to sign the letters he took to them was an indication that the President Muhammadu Buhari-led federal government was determined to isolate Kanu from gaining diplomatic assistance. According to Ejimako, DSS legal department was responsible for the restriction. An accused person is given an opportunity to answer to the accusations. But that is not the case in the way DSS is handling this issue. That again confirms the kidnap and the earlier claims by this lawyer that he may not get judgment in the Nigerian court. Already, the executive arm of government is using the DSS to stop the defendant from getting the desired and required assistance he deserves, even as a British citizen. This is someone who was traveling with a British passport when he was kidnapped. Plans to cause discord between Nnamdi Kanu and Professor Obiozor failed. This is according to Ohanaeze. The Ohanaeze led by George Obiozor. The Ohanaeze Youth Council, OYC, which is the highest youth wing of Ohanaeze Ndigbo worldwide, said they have observed with keen interest malicious blackmail against the leadership of Ohanaeze Ndigbo led by Ambassador Professor George Obiozor. The content of the cheap blackmail in the first and second paragraph stated thoughts there. Here is a write-up, according to from Ohanaeze Youth Council, alleging that there is a plan to cause rift between Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the leader of the Ohanaeze Ndigbo group led by Obiozor. Now let's read. I am the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, not Nnamdi Kanu. That's this, the reports they said was presented to cause trouble between Nnamdi Kanu and Ohanaeze Ndigbo. So let's read. He said, I am the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, not Nnamdi Kanu. Nobody gave him the veto power to decide for the Igbos. Whatsoever he was doing at his Radio Biafra is solely for him and has no link with the entire Igbo community. I could remember how many times we called him to order, yet he refused to heed to our calls. Now he is about to face what is bigger than him. In the foregoing, Ohanaeze Youth Council wishes to inform the public, Igbo youth and another self-determination group, that such poorly scripted junk can't come from the renowned and respected international diplomat, Ambassador Professor George Obiozor. So Professor George Obiozor said he's not the owner of the write-up. As you can see on the screen, that is the write-up. This is the write-up, according to Ohanaeze, was sent forward to cause trouble between Ohanaeze and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. OIC stated that after their independent investigation, the council discovered that the blackmail came from one Mr. Chidibe and Mr. Ikpeazu from Rochas Okorosha, claimed to be his own faction of Ohanaeze Ndigbo as its Speedbat residence in Owerri. You know, there is this other Ohanaeze faction that is led by Chidibe, and the spokesperson there is Okezie, who used to be the leader of the Ohanaeze Youth Council. Now, I said the report would have been scripted, written by them to cause trouble between the Nnamdi Kanu and the Ohanaeze Ndigbo led by Professor George Obiozor. So the group led by Professor George Obiozor said that write-up was never from them, that people should disregard it, that it is sponsored by Okorosha. You know, Okorosha is supporting the other Ohanaeze group. Now, in continuation of their denial of such report, they said, we hereby appeal to those who know Senator Rochas Okorosha to advise him to stay clear on Professor George Obiozor-led Ohanaeze Ndigbo and stop dragging the well-reputed Igbo socio-cultural murder organization to the mud with dirty politics and cheap blackmail. Ohanaeze Youth Council therefore urges Igbo youths and their brothers in self-determination groups to disregard the blackmail making rounds on social media against their President General, Ambassador Professor George Obiozor. Popular Southeast governor spotted on a Dot Nation t-shirt, but with a map of Nigeria on it. I believe we can all remember how the Dot Nation t-shirt reigned in Nigeria, especially in the southeast after President Muhammadu Buhari described IPOB as a dot in a circle, extending it to Ndigbo. Some weeks after IPOB members printed the t-shirt in large numbers, Abia State Governor Dr. Okezie Ikpeazu was spotted wearing the Dot Nation t-shirt, and his own has the map of Nigeria on it. Abaribe was also seen wearing a Dot Nation t-shirt earlier, and Joe Igboho criticized it. Now, the governor of Abia State is also putting on a Dot Nation t-shirt, but this time around, he has the Nigerian map surrounding the dot. The inscription on the t-shirt was "Dots everywhere. Who then owes Nigeria?" And the dots. Well, taking a closer look at the t-shirt, one can see dots everywhere on the map. The fact is that there is no state in Nigeria where you will not find Igbos, so it's like the dots are everywhere. They don't just live there, rather they contribute to the development of such states. They build houses, establish businesses, create jobs, employ people, and feel at home. They even employ people from the indigenous of the state where they reside to do their business, you could imagine. In Lagos and Abuja, Igbos have a sizable number of properties. All these are what the governor Ikpeazu may have signified when he wore the Dot Nation t-shirt, which has the map of Nigeria on it. Meanwhile, the minority leader of the Senate, Senator Abaribe, has also worn it, like we said, the Dot Nation t-shirt, but his own had map of Biafra on it, and it was designed in Biafra color. Well, the funny thing here is that the governor Okezie Ikpeazu is from the same Abia state as Senator Abaribe, and even then, Nnamdi Kanu, who is the leader of the indigenous people of IPOB. So both of them come from the same state. That's Okezie Ikpeazu and Senator Abaribe. And from even the same senatorial zone, Abia South. They hail from the same local government, Obingwa, and they are members of the People's Democratic Party. Wow. Two of them are the only Igbo politicians that wore the Dot Nation t-shirt, but with different messages. While Ikpeazu identified with Nigeria, Senator Abaribe identified with Biafra. Meanwhile, our viewers, add your comment, tell us what you think about our stories today. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Click on the bell icon also to get our updates anytime it drops. Azoka OJ, bye for now.